Hello guys, welcome to Luxembourg City. My name is Shikhar and you are watching Bold and Beyond. Luxembourg City, a city where historic charm meets festive cheer. Nested in the heart of Europe, this enchanting capital transforms into a winter wonderland during the holiday season. So join us as we explore the magic of this Luxembourg's Christmas market, where cobblestone street and adorned with twinkling lights and the filled air with aroma of mulled wine and gingerbread. So let's go guys. Watch the vlog through your own eyes and enjoy it. So guys, welcome back. Again we are out in the Luxembourg city, and just right behind me you saw the Notre Dame Cathedral, and this is a very big cathedral in the center of the Luxembourg city. But meanwhile, I saw a Christmas market up there, and I think it's a good time to visit there. It's Christmas, and yesterday was Christmas, and it's 26th of December, and still I can see that the Christmas market is lit up there, and I'm quite excited. Actually, they have decorated pretty well, and I can see the lights everywhere. Every bit of the trees are like covered with these beautiful lights, and you can see all the kids are having fun here. They have small games and you call it rides and bungee jumping here, and just look at the surrounding. It's so happening here. And there you go, there is the Christmas tree. Let's check the Christmas tree out. They have put up such a big tree in the middle of the market, and they have decorated it so nicely. Looks so damn beautiful. So guys, as I told you before, that it is 26th of December, next day to the Christmas, and before in the morning I was there inside the Luxembourg city. I thought that the whole city is just sleeping. There was no people around, and I just stepped in there to this Christmas market, and I saw, like, I think that the whole city has just come in here, and it seems like it's pretty beautiful, and all the market is covered with these decorative lights. I just love it, guys. I just love it. I have been to a lot of Christmas markets, especially in Germany and Prague, but they were quite different from this. Actually, the whole concept of the Christmas market is just like a fair. During the Christmas, you have a big fair in each city where people come up with different cuisines and food. They have a lot of food and stalls where you can buy souvenirs. So it's an amazing, experience. If you are here in Europe, especially make sure that you visit the Christmas market. It's a must thing. And nonetheless, I think I'm gonna try some rides today. I want to go on that one, especially I want to see the city from above. This is beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. This is worth it. If you are here in Luxembourg, make sure you come here to visit this market. See it yourself, guys. This camera cannot do any justice to this. And you know what's special about these markets is that you get a lot of sweets and a lot of things that you can just don't get on any bakery or something. These are very traditional things and many different type of chocolates, and it's actually pretty good. Hello, I would like to get a small pack of chocolates, like for 10 euro. So they have a lot of variety of chocolates. As you can see, they have white chocolate and Belgian and a lot of different stuff. So I think I'm gonna buy a little bit of chocolates for myself. So I'll get it for 10 euros. Maybe this one, yeah, and one more. Not this one, yeah. Oh, it is for 10, 5 each? 5 each. Okay. Nipun, grab your. These are damn expensive, but let's try it out. Come. Oh. Nipun, give it a try. 5 euro chocolate bar.
Yes.
Tell me the review. How do you like it? I thought it's like mix of all the chocolates. She will get us for like 5 euros. Is this something different?
Is it some kind of fruit?
Oh,
Covered
there
with-
is some
covered-
fruit inside.
Yes, covered with chocolate.
Oh. But what do you think? Is it worth it for like 5 euros in this Christmas
The
market?
first fruit I don't like that much.
Mhm.
Let's try the next one.
Oh, these things have fruits inside. Nipun, I suggest you to try this one. Actually, this one is pretty good. Oh, just try this one out.
I think it's grapes inside.
It's grape. I think for 5 euros, if you are here in this Christmas market, this is a must try. Like, you can try it out.
Yeah.
I think it's a bit expensive, but you know,
new
Christmas
experience for
Christmas
us.
doesn't come every day.
Yeah,
You know?
yes,
So I think it's a good try. And guys, no Christmas market is complete without currywurst. Yeah. So here you have lot of option if you are fond of wurst. So wurst are basically sausages, and they give you with different sauces. I'm not a big fan of wurst, so I'm not gonna try that out because I've tried it so many times in Germany. It's very, bland and very tasteless. So guys, I'm finally in front of the Ferris wheel, and I think that there is a very long queue. So I don't think so we'll be able to make it to those baskets till the morning. So I don't think so it's a wise idea to wait here for like another 1.5 hours to be on the queue. But nonetheless, guys, the view from here is absolutely spectacular. And if you look there, you will see that there is a tram crossing by on that bridge. That looks absolutely stunning. So guys, we just got free from the Christmas market, and now we are here in the busy streets of Luxembourg. As I told you guys, I thought it's gonna be empty, but it's quite happening. And I see that there are a lot of lights, Christmas lights, decorations around the street. And I have to say guys, it's pretty good here and pretty busy. Even though the markets are all closed, but still I think people are here. Most of them are like tourists, probably just like me. And oh guys, what a beautiful decoration. The only thing you will find open today is the restaurants and food plazas. Other than that, I think most of the shops here are closed today because of Christmas. I think it's time to enter another Christmas market that is again in the middle of the city. And I would like to show you this amazing building. Just look at the architecture. It looks so medieval, it looks so old school. I really like it. I don't know what it is. Probably this must be a theater maybe, or what? Another merry-go-round. Kids playing, enjoying their best time of their lives. I think it's a theater or what? It's closed, but the building looks amazing. See, another winter Christmas market. So it's pretty same like it was there before. Some small rides and food points. Pretty nice. So let me tell you a few interesting facts about Luxembourg. So the first fact is that especially in this country, they speak 3 languages, especially German, French and Dutch. And they do speak Luxembourgish. That is the mixture of all these 3 languages. So everywhere you go, you'll find more like words like merci and wie geht's, like how are you. And these all words are just taken up from different languages. So guys, I just came across this vendor and he's selling something made up out of potatoes. It's called Krompa Kriekeshe. It's very hard to pronounce, but I think we're gonna get one of these. What do you think, Nipun? Should we get one of these Krompa Kriekeshe?
It's made of potatoes. I can eat it.
Yeah, we can give it a try.
Yeah, sure.
So, Nipun, you wanna buy it?
Yeah, sure.
So let's go there. Go there.
Einmal
Krompa Kriekeshe. This one. How much? 7. So this dish costs us like 7 euros. And as I said that this is made up of potatoes. So let's give it a try.
So guys, I think this is just aloo patty.
Yeah, I think that it's just aloo patty, but it has some, you know, herbs and spices, little bit.
Yes, it's a variant of
Potato
aloo.
patty.
Yeah.
It's aloo patty. So they give like 3 of these for 7 euros.
Yes.
It's a bit oily, but yeah, it's good. It's good. Good for people who are vegan or don't eat non-vegetarian food. It's good for them. But usually in this Christmas market, you want to find everything non-vegetarian, like pork and all that stuff.
Yes.
I don't eat much pork, so I didn't give it a try. But this is good. If you are here, you can try this. At least, what I say that when you are in a specific country, try their food. Try their food. Don't judge anything like, you know, it is not like meant for us. You should try new things. You'll find this golden apples everywhere, this McDonald's. But you know, this is the traditional food that you should try. This is the thing you are here for, guys. Not this McDonald's. Not at all these McDonald's. I hate this place. So guys, we hopped on to another Christmas market in the city we found, and this is a bit different, you know. You look at the decorations, it's very different from the other Christmas market, and you can see the huge Christmas tree up there, and there's a live performance going on. You can see up there. What a vibe, guys. What a vibe. I'm glad it's winter time, it's holidays. So guys, that's it. That was the Christmas market of Luxembourg. I hope you enjoyed the video, and click the subscribe button if you are new here. I'll be taking you to more beautiful places around the Europe, and till then, take care. I'll see you in the another one.